Hi, today we have come with a review of this one more product from DARAZ. This is heavy duty caster wheels. It's a 360-degree directional wheels. It can be used in all kind of stuff like furniture, moving under the furniture, universal pulley. You can easily move heavy things by putting this below, and it also is a has a self adhesive behind it. Let's open it and see. This is a it came nicely packed in a fast way, and it's a five-star supplier. The quality is good. Like this is the wheel, 360-degree. You can put it with a sticker like this under the heavy items, dustbin or big cans, and they can easily be rolled. It's about 2.8 centimeter long, and it's a labor saving product. You can easily paste it under anything, and this is a universal wheel on the bottom, so it can be used anywhere. It's a ball. It has a ball type pulley with free rotating. So overall, this seems like a good product, and the sticker quality is also nice. If you have any questions, you can ask. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.